In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a marketing video for your business. We're going to cover what are the components of a really solid, a really good marketing video. We're going to talk about the outcome, or what are the goals that every marketing video should include. Or whether you're a beginner, we're going to be talking about how you should get started to make this promo video. And no matter what stage you are in your business, whether you're really seasoned, you have a lot of experience, a lot of momentum, a lot of revenue, or you're in the beginning stages, you're going to have clarity on where you should start in making marketing videos. So I'm going to start out by sharing 9 different tips that you want to include in all of your marketing videos. Okay, so tip number 1 is you want them to be short. The shorter the better. When people know that they're watching a promo video, they are on their guard. That's where they have the short attention span. That's why we see really short 30-second commercials in the Super Bowl, or even 15 seconds where they've packed so much. If you really take a step back and think about all the time and energy they put into that 15 seconds. So you do the same as you're planning it, as you're outlining it, and promo videos you definitely want to script. You want to refine it and refine it and refine it to make it short. Make it as short as possible, but as powerful as possible. Tip number 2 is you want to ask yourself, is this easy to follow? How can you make the storyline or the message so simple and clear? What can you show that can convey something quicker or can paint a more clear picture of the idea you're presenting? Get feedback from people around you, from your team, and from your clients, because if you've condensed something really short, you still want to make sure that they can follow and that they can really understand it. Now, I know your services or your products have a lot of amazing features, and you might be tempted to list off, look, we include this, we include this, we include this. Look at all these features. It's made out of titanium. But the features aren't going to sell it. What do those features get them? Like, what is the outcome? What's the benefit of your product or service? In your video, you can mention some features quickly, but make sure that majority of what you're talking about is the outcome or these benefits that they get. How are these features going to change their life? Like, focus on that. Focus on how their life is going to change. Tip number 4, if this applies to your business, showcase your customers, showcase your clients and their success stories. Talk about the outcomes that they've received. And we'll tie this into tip number 5, include testimonials. Now, when we're talking about a promo video, and I've suggested that you really keep it short, sometimes testimonials can be long-winded. You don't need to play the whole thing. Find the right sound bites, find the moments that are really powerful, and then plug them into your video at the right moments to really emphasize that point. Tip number 6, I've kind of already talked about, and that's to refine and polish your script. I talk a lot about leaf videos as a way of pulling in people through YouTube search. You don't script those videos, but your promo videos, you want to script. You want to script and refine and polish and make better and get feedback and improve it more. Whether you're paying, and I don't recommend this, but whether you're paying to send people to watch your promo video, or you're pulling people in organically and building a relationship from YouTube and then having them go and watch your promo video, that's a lot of effort. That's a lot of people that you want to come and watch this promo video. So don't just hit record and record a video and share some ideas, but really put a lot of planning and thought and attention into your promo videos. Tip number 7, I recommend hiring the pros to make you look and sound your best. Get a professional when you're talking about promo videos. So even though I have a YouTube production company and I employ 8 videographers, when I wanted to make a promo video, the promo video that's on my homepage right now, I hired another company that really specializes in promo videos to help me make that video. And we spent 4 months on one 5-minute video. Now, the next tip, your promo videos belong on your website or on a specific landing page. These videos don't belong on YouTube. Now, they can be hosted there, but typically they're going to be unlisted, and the way that people find them is on your website, on your specific landing page. But you might want to push back and say, but Nate, if I put this video on YouTube, then it can go viral. What if this video gets seen by thousands or even millions of people? I'm going to tell you right now, your promo video is not going to go viral. So don't even worry about that. There's other ways that you can get people to build a relationship with you and go and watch your promo video. So your promo video is a critical piece, but don't count it getting a lot of views just by posting it to YouTube. With all of those tips for your video, let's talk about the big picture. Let's talk about the goal of your video. What's the outcome that you want your video to deliver for you and for your business? After you've refined your script for your video, ask yourself these questions. Is your video clear? about telling people what you do or what your program is? Is your video clear about who you help, like who your services or your expertise is for? Does this video really focus on the outcome or the benefits, or do you need to go back and refine things because you focus too much on features? And as you film this video and start editing it, ask yourself, what's the emotional journey that people go on? What's the emotion you feel in the beginning? What's the emotion you feel in the middle? What about at the end? And is that the emotional journey that you want people to take? What can you change? Do you need to move things around so that you have the right emotional journey? Now, building a relationship is actually really hard to do in a promo video. So I actually teach a 3-video formula where people watch video 1, then they watch video 2, and then they come and they watch your promo video. If you haven't seen that video from me yet, I'll link to that right up here. It's called the 3-video YouTube formula for lead generation. So you can watch that video later. With that strategy, people won't feel like they're being sold to because you're building a relationship with them and they search you out and they watch your promo video by choice. If you take this promo video that you've put all this effort and energy that we've talked about, you put all that into this video, the mistake that a lot of people make is they then pay to have people watch it. Well, why is that a mistake? It will work. It will work. You will generate some leads, but people are smart. People know that they're being sold to. People will be on the defense. People hate ads. They don't want to watch commercials. And so you're paying to annoy people. People will do whatever they can to skip the ads. They'll mute their TV or mute their computer, or they'll skip ahead. Now, some people will be found. Some prospects of yours, some ideal clients will be found, but you're going to be generating low quality leads that you're going to have to sort through and filter through. So this makes this process take a lot more time, and it's going to be hard to turn a positive ROI, to have a positive return on that investment. Now, I mentioned that I was going to share some advice based on whether you're new in business or you're well established in business. Some of you that are new might be intimidated by what you've learned in this video. The good news is that you can make a promo video now and launch it and test it, and then you can make a better one. And a few months later, you can make a better one. I highly, highly, highly recommend my 3-video strategy. So now would be the time to go watch that video. I'll link to it on the screen here. It's called the 3-video YouTube funnel for lead generation. This will work way, way better and will make way better use of this promo video that you're making.